guys, Naturally Just Suffy here. Welcome to my channel, and on today's video I promised that I was going to show you guys some inexpensive, great, smelling fragrances. These are not only perfumes, but they're body sprays, and I have one that is a body powder, scented body powder as well. And these are all products that you can use on a daily basis. These are products that are not going to break the budget, because look, over here we're trying to save some money, and we're not trying to break our budget and put holes in our pockets. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the body sprays. These are body sprays that you can actually go onto Amazon. You can purchase these on Amazon. I'll put links for all of these and where you can purchase them. Now, the first one here is called, La Viva La Juicy. Okay, this is the dupe for the Juicy Couture, and this one has a medium scent to it, so it's not too strong, but it's not too light. It is right in between. It is a scent that definitely put on a little bit of Vaseline or cocoa butter and spray the spray on there. With all of these body sprays, you would need to do that in order to get the best smell out of each and every one of these. Okay, this one, it has a very flowered type of scent to it, and so if you're into flowery types of scents, then this would be good for you. Alright, the next body spray is, this one is the dupe for Red by Giorgio Armani, and it's called A Little Sexy. This one is a very strong smell, very nighttime. If you're going on a date night with your man, this would be the type of fragrance. It has a little bit of a masculine essence to it, but it's still feminine. It is a great nighttime, wintry type of scent. It's strong and it does last, which I like about this, is because this is a scent that lasts on the body for many hours. And sometimes with the body sprays, sometimes they tend not to last as long, but that one definitely does. Next one here is, this is the dupe for Delicious by DKNY. It's called Head Turner. Now this one I have quite a bit of because I don't use it very often. This one has a very after shower smell. This one smells just as you would after a shower. This is good to use after a shower. Spray it on your body after you put your Vaseline or your cocoa butter on your body. Put this on when you're still a little bit wet. And yes, it gives you that after shower smell, just as if you've used a body wash. And yes, this one, it isn't as long lasting as the other two, but this one is good to put on as a starter and then put your main fragrance on afterwards. Now, next one is, this is the dupe for Happy by Clinique, and this one is Wanna Play. That's the name of it. And this one here, I still have quite a bit of this one as well. This one is it smells very apple scented, and this one does last, but like I said before, you do need to add cocoa butter, Vaseline, so that that spray, it sticks to the skin properly. And yeah, this is a great summer scent. This is something that's great to use in the summer. This head turner is great to use in the summer, as spring, summer. You know, both of these kind of are great out of the shower scents. So definitely, you know, great for that. This one I said here, this one is definitely summer. And your other one here is more fall, winter. And you want to be able to, you know, use that nighttime, date night. Okay. Now, this one is a lot different, unconventional. This is more of a deodorant spray, but I also added it in because this is something that works well with your deodorant and adds an extra great scent to the body. And this is the Axe. This is the Anarchy for her. And this is the deodorant body spray. I use my deodorant, my Dove deodorant, and then I use this underneath the arms and even spraying it down below. And yeah, this adds extra deodorant protection, especially because I'm the type of person, I go to the gym, I work out, so you know, I definitely appreciate a good deodorant spray. This next one is a fragrance that I have been using for years. I will continue to use it as long as possible. I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it makes, you know, my skin feel. I just absolutely love this product. It is an old school spray, but it is something that I cannot get away from. And this is the Exclamation. Yes, this, if you remember 80s, 90s perfumes, fragrances, this is one of them. I love, love, love this so much. This one has a sweet, almost like wine type scent to it. It is very long lasting. It lingers on the body really, really well. I love the way that it smells. I use this morning, noon, and night. I try not to use too much because what happens is, you know, my bottles run out very quickly, because this honestly is only a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, and so I try not to use it too much. But I really love this. This happens to be one of my favorite, all-time favorite perfume colognes. I love it. It's just been something that I've used for years. My mom had it. I started using her bottle when I was younger, and I've just been buying my own bottle and just keep using it. This is something I always resonate to. Now, this one is something that is newer to me, and I started out using the body spray, and then I went into researching and found that there is a cologne perfume for it. It is Wind Song. Now, I love the packaging for it, so I always keep it in the packaging because I just love the packaging that much. And this is what the bottle looks like. Yes, very, very beautiful. I love this. It's just a very rich, opulent smell to it. And I love the little bottle with the little, you know, crown piece on it. And I just love it. It's long lasting on the skin, and I use it in conjunction. And I didn't know they made things such as this, or I did and I didn't know they still had them in production, is the Wind Song Body Powder. This is the dusting powder. So you can use this and this together. So after you get out of the shower, you just pat this all over. I love to use it my upper body, under my arms, things of that nature. And then I will take this and spray in those same areas. And it just locks in that smell. And, you know, I love the way that it smells. Very, very opulent. I will use this especially when I'm going out, when I have somewhere I have to be. You know, I will want to use these together. I used them recently for my sister's wedding. That's the scent that I had on the entire day. I did have to spray this one again midday, but you know, that was okay. And yeah, I just love it. I don't want to make too much of a mess. But yeah, that's the dusting powder. You just dust it all over. And yeah, this is an amazing product. Both of these, you can find them on Amazon. I found it on Amazon. Actually, how I started getting into this particular fragrance was I found it in my local drugstore when I was looking at body sprays. Because they have a section for body sprays and colognes and things. And they had Wind Song body spray. And I loved it so much. I don't even have the body spray anymore. But I loved it so much that I was like, let me go online and order some more. Because my store didn't have any. I went online, went to order some more, and saw that they had an actual cologne and a dusting powder. So I was like, you know what, I gotta go and purchase both. And I'm glad that I did. It's an amazing product, very opulent. Very opulent in its smell. And yeah. So those are the fragrances that I'm rocking with right now that I'm currently really loving. I use more so the body sprays through the week. If I have somewhere special to go, I will use the Wind Song, and you know, or I'll use the Exclamation, you know, the Axe body spray. I use that every day. You know, after I put my deodorant on, I spray that as well. Yeah, and these are products that I'm truly loving, and they didn't break the bank. These products are good quality, you know, because a lot of times people want to know, are they good quality? Have they broken your skin out? No, you know me, I suffer from eczema and very sensitive skin, and none of these products have broke my skin out in any way. So, you know, if you're interested, I will leave links for all of these down below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.